Skoda Fabia Mark II heater resistor. Really, I should have done this video as I was taking it apart, but this will give you a bit more an insight what you're doing. Obviously, disconnect battery naturally. Now, if you haven't got a glove box, obviously on this Roomster, there's just a cover. This cover, what you remove, you pop that out, front bottom. And inside, I don't know if you can see, it's 3 holes that hold T30 torques. Just remove them, undo them. You might need a magnet just to pick them out, it's a bit out of hand's reach. Don't unscrew them. Either a screwdriver wrapped in cloth or a trim removal tool, which I used, which you just prise top cover airbag, and then you put your hand underneath and just gently lift it out. Obviously then you reveal with this hole, and then you see that there'll be a bit of sound deadening cloth. You just remove that gently, and inside, just there, is the heater resistor. Nice and easy. I hope that helped to just give you a bit of an idea exactly where it is. Thanks for watching.